Now we are discussing AF and RF chokes. What is a choke? Choke is an inductor. Why we are calling the choke? Because that is the conventional term they use for the audio frequencies and radio frequency. Whenever we use the term choke, it is an inductor. So choke is an inductor. So AF and RF chokes. AF choke means audio frequency inductor. RF choke means radio frequency inductors. Now we are discussing only the applications. Okay? Because the applications are in your syllabus, AF chokes and RF chokes. Where we use the AF chokes? What is AF? Audio frequency. What is the audio frequency? 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz or 20 kHz. Radio frequency means this is in the range of megahertz or 10 to the power 6 Hz. Now, if we take the power supply which we are getting, the voltage which we are receiving from the transformer, the frequency of that voltage is 50 Hz. So, in the power supplies we can use the AF choke. TV, whenever any channel, if you are receiving the DD or any channel when you are receiving, there is a transmitter. The transmitter station may be in the Hyderabad or maybe in New Delhi or maybe in Vijayawada. At the transmitter side, they have to send the signal. Okay? When they are sending the signal, if they want to use any choke, that choke is AF choke. So in the TV transmitters and in radio transmitters, okay, at the receiver end if you are using any choke, in the radio receiver or in the TV receiver, this TX is the term we use for the transmitter and RX is the term we use for the receiver. In the receiving station, we can use the RF choke, whether that is radio receiver or TV receiver. Okay. And similarly, when there is a possibility to use the transformer, that is audio transformer. Audio means again, whenever there is a possibility that the application will be AF choke. Okay. Whenever the frequencies are in between the 20 Hz to 20 kHz, we use the AF chokes. When the frequencies are in the range of megahertz, then we will use the RF chokes. For TV transmitter, in the TV transmitter station, if I want to use a choke, that is AF choke or RF choke. Radio transmitter, in the radio transmitter station, if I want to use the choke, that is transmitter. I am not talking about receiving. Okay, radio, in the radio station, if I want to transmit the signal, then AF choke. If there is on speaker or in some audio transformer, if I want to use some choke, that is AF choke or RF choke? AF choke. Okay? At the receiving end, in the TV, if I am receiving the TV signal and at that time I am using one choke, then for the receiving of radio signal, if I am using one choke, then that is RF choke. Okay.